Hello everyone, happy post-Thanksgiving, happy post-Black Friday, well sort of. Everyone's doing Black Friday weekend and it's still going on, the party still continues. Today's video is a little bit interesting because I wanted to call out something that I discovered. Like, there's something that I've always suspected but I never had hardcore proof. But Black Friday is a huge scam, and I'll tell you why. And it's probably more apparent to people who shop more regularly than people who just shop seasonally or for a specific reason. I even have video proof this time. So the solid proof that I want to share with you today is the fact that I always vlog about the hauls that I do. And I did a vlog not too long ago where I went to Nordstrom Rack and I found some really cool Tory Burch like ballet type of flats. They were gold. And then they were $60 or $61, something to that effect. I got a huge discount on them. I had to return them because I accidentally picked them up in two different sizes, 1/6, 1/7. So I lost out on getting those shoes. Gold Tory Burch, just sort of like ballerina flat. I ended up paying like $60 for this, and then I also had a coupon that made it like 20 bucks. Oh shit. Okay, I've just realized that they are two different sizes. That's not good because I can't fit the other one. So since then I have found some, I guess maybe like a dupe of those, got a much better deal, put those shoes out of my mind. These now for $7 and basically the same quality. They're leather, they're gold, they're the same shape and style. I think the universe was just looking out for me, told me I did not need a pair of $60 pair of shoes until Black Friday. I went Black Friday shopping where Nordstrom Rack had an additional 30% off of their clearance items. So I went through the shoes scouring for great deals, and lo and behold, the Tory Burch shoes that I returned, but this time they were both in a 6, and I'm like, should I, shouldn't I, should I, shouldn't I? They should be cheaper at this point. It has been months since I've seen these shoes. Picked up the shoe, turned it over, and they had boosted up the price from $61 to $107. You ain't gonna get me. Not today, not ever. Now, for the people who don't shop all the time, oh yeah, they'll definitely get scammed because $107 for those shoes wasn't a bad deal, but considering the fact that they were already $60, yeah, they're trying to pull one on people. So I wanted to call out Nordstrom Rack on the fact that you guys are scamming people on Black Friday. You're boosting up prices and giving a quote-unquote bigger discount, which makes these consumers pay more in the long run for these deals. Not having it, not feeling it, I don't like it. Anyway, I'll move on to my rant is over. If you liked my rant, go ahead and subscribe, but we're gonna keep going with today's haul. I did pick up some things for Black Friday. This year's Black Friday in the stores was lackluster. So crowded, and for no reason, because like I explained to you, the deals were not that great. I saw in many cases where things were exactly the same price as they were before, even with the additional discount, or the prices had been jacked up, whatever the case may be. The deals were not good. However, I tried really hard. I worked hard at it, and I found just like a handful of things that I'll share with you today. The first item is this super cute lacy dress. I love this for summer. I may even wear it prior to summer with maybe like a tank and some tights underneath, but this is really super cute. I love the detail on it, and I love this racer back top here at the top. Super cute dress, very girly, it's short. I think this is gonna make a really nice statement. I think that white pieces like this on my complexion make a really bold statement with, it's just aesthetically pleasing to have like this, the darker skin with the lighter colors. So I'm really excited to wear this. I wear white quite a bit. I even did a video on how to style the little white dress because everyone is focused on the little black dress that the white dress doesn't get its justice. So definitely check that video out. I will put it up here so you can see that. But loving this dress, very good weight, nice and heavy. This one was originally $89 and I paid $12 for this dress, which I think I'm going to get a lot of wear out of this. The next piece is another dress, and it's similar in the fact that it is lacy, but it has a completely different style to it. This one's more of like a lighter olivey gray green kind of a color. I want to say it's a bustier sort of top or whatever, but it has these little cold shoulder straps slash sleeves but whatever we want to call that. But it's a very cute look, short again, with the lace slash eyelet detail on it. I think this is going to be really cute. Another one that I could possibly wear with layering, but I don't know if I'm going to do that. Well, I'm going to try it on. I don't know how any of these pieces fit, so we'll see if they fit well enough such that I could layer something underneath, but I am excited about this piece as well. The original price on this one was $95 and I ended up paying $5.97. The next piece is for layering and just for year round. I have something that's very similar already, but two things. It's getting pretty beat up. I'm starting to get peeling and, you know, just lint balls on it, and it's just starting to show its age. Additionally, the one that I have is a bit longer. This one is not. So this one's a cardigan sweater. This one's probably about knee length. The other one I have is a maxi length. This one, the original price was $26.97. I ended up paying $11 for this one. So not too bad. Not a huge discount, but again, it's something that I need and will wear all the time. Who doesn't wear black sweaters and cardigans all the time? So I would get my wear out of this. The next piece I got from Zara. And Zara was having across their whole store an additional 30% off everything, whether it was on sale or not. And it was so crowded, I wasn't able to really look around as deeply as I would like. It's just so frustrating when there's so many people there. But something did catch my eye. Those of you who have known me since college know that I have an obsession with, a quiet obsession with ladybugs. When we were in college, we started our own sorority. It's a little embarrassing, but it's cute at the same time. But we created our own sorority called Eta Phi Eta, and the animal or mascot or whatever you want to call it for the sorority was the ladybug. So our colors were red and black, and we wore ladybug everything. So anyway, in my adult life, I am still wearing ladybug everything, and loving it. And I had to get this sweater. It's the cutest thing. I actually sized up really big. This is supposed to be like a really cute small crop sweater, and even here you can see that it's still pretty small and cropped. It's supposed to be really, really small. I got this in a large, and I want to be able to wear it a little bit oversized, and I think maybe I didn't try this on. I feel like the most that this will be oversized is maybe on the arms, but I wanted the body to be a little bit more oversized as well. But I am loving like the print on this. I love the knit on this. It's super soft. I just wanted a big slouchy comfy sweater with the ladybugs on there. I have a few friends on here who watch me, and you guys love ladybugs too. I would recommend that you go and pick this one up. It's so cute. And again, it was on sale, 30% additional off. So the original price on this was $39.99, and I ended up getting it for $27.97. So not awful. But you know, because in comparison to how I normally shop for things, that's pretty high. But it's for a statement piece that I'm really loving. It's going to make me happy, so I don't see why I shouldn't splurge. Now for the rest of my Black Friday items, I did do some additional shopping online. I found that I got better deals and better inventory, more access to different variety online than I did in the stores. And that might not be true, but it was so crowded that I couldn't really see what was available to me in the stores. So I did some more shopping online, and I'll share that with you once they arrive. So I'll do that maybe next week, and I hate that I'll be doing it next week because then you won't be able to get the deals. This will be over. For the rest of the things that I'm showing you today, the deals are still in full effect, and you can go and find them. So I'll link as much as I can below. So in addition to my Black Friday shopping, I did a little bit of shopping prior to Black Friday, and this is why I explained that Black Friday shopping is a scam because the deals that I normally get, you guys have watched me long enough to know the deals that I normally get far outpace whatever I could get on Black Friday. I go out there for sport on Black Friday. Every so often I will find a diamond in the gym, or a diamond in the rough, or a gem in the haystack. Is that right? I'm making these things up at the moment. But yeah, Black Friday really is a scam. I go out there for sport and for entertainment, but anyway, I'll continue. So right now, Banana Republic is having an additional 50% off everything. So I would definitely say go check out Banana Republic if you want some basics, some things for the office, some very, you know, clean, sleek pieces. I would suggest that you check out Banana Republic. So this piece here I got prior to the sale, but I'm pretty sure they still carry it, and then you can get it probably cheaper than I got this. So this piece is super cute. It's a deep, dark denim dress. It's has some tears at the bottom here, and slightly ruffled at the edge, very loose, light ruffles at the edge. And again, it's this whole racer back kind of style. And it's all dark in one color. So I feel like even though it's denim, it's appropriate for the office. You could wear it with, you know, a long sleeve tee or button down underneath, a cardigan over, blazer over. There are a lot of different ways that you can wear this. And then you can wear this when it warms up, not in the office, with nothing underneath, as is, with some white trainers. There are so many ways. This is such a versatile piece. I have not tried it on, but I imagine that it's a really cute fit. I got this in a 00 petite, and the original price on here was $128, and they reduced it 1,000,001 times, and then I had some other additional discounts that were applied, and it ended up being $19.15. Oh, the sun decided to come out. This is crazy. I cannot control the light to save my life. Oh gosh. So anyway, that's that. But at least you can see the garment a little bit better with the sunlight. But yeah, I am loving this piece. I will try to link it below again. And then I think you can probably get this a little bit cheaper than what I got it for right now, since they're having a bigger sale. The next two items I got were from Nordstrom Rack. And you guys know how much I love graphic tees. You would think that I have enough at this point, but I always see one that just catches my eye and speaks to me, and I just have to pick it up. This one says the future is fashion, and anything that has fashion on it, I'm going to pick it up. Anything that has French on it, I'm going to pick it up. Anything that has, mostly anything that talks about positive vibes, being happy, being beautiful, I'm gonna pick it up. So those are my Achilles heels when it comes to the graphic tees. And if you see any cool ones, link them to me below. Comment, even if it's not even on this video, if you think of it later and you're like, hey, you want to let me know that you found like the coolest tee that you think I'd like, pop it in the comments below. I will go and get them, you know I will. So this tee originally was $29, and I ended up getting it for $7.49, so not bad. The next piece caught my eye. I love, like, you know, sort of athletic gear, or what do you call, athleisure type gear, and you guys know that I love every kind of gear. I'm lying, I just love clothes. All right, so, but this falls into that category because it's definitely clothes. This one I picked up because it had a unique look and I liked it, and the price was right. But then once I looked at it even further, there's a story that's associated with this garment, well, with this brand. So it is it's a crop sweatshirt, and it's hooded, and it is cute and gray and cropped. I think it's going to be super cute for the gym. Very unique. It has the raw edge here around the neck, which I love, but it also has the tie drawstring here, which I also like because sometimes I do pop the hood on to cover these locks. And then the sleeves. I love this because it looks like it's a tee over the sweatshirt, but it's all one piece. But everything about this, even like the difference in the color here, the quality of it is amazing. I'm loving this sweatshirt. I picked it up just really because it looked a little different, but the more I, you know, kind of touched at it and grabbed it and looked at the detail, I'm in love with this sweatshirt. It is by The Laundry Room. I got this in an extra small. The original price was $78, and I ended up getting it for $18.88. They call this a Muscle Beach hoodie. So I don't know, maybe I'm supposed to show my muscles in this. The story behind this is that
there were a couple of brothers out of California, and when they were growing up, they always had in their laundry room a space where they worked with their mother to do like creative arts type stuff, and that just stuck with them throughout their lives. So when they got older, one of the brothers went and got a whole bunch of vintage denim jeans and remade them all. He did like the redone, right? He restructured them all and they sold like hotcakes. And then they created a store where they were doing the same, and then they evolved into making all kinds of unique and distinctive garments with new fabric.
So this is an example of made with all new fabric. They still do, I think they still do restructured items, but on their label, they'll let you know if it's restructured or new fabric. The cool part about it is that they strive to make every piece unique. So they try to, if it is going to be a sweatshirt, you're going to see a little bit of, you know, unique detailing like this, like these raw edges and things like that. And then their jeans are apparently known for being, each one being crafted by hand with love. So it's one of a kind. They use vintage coins on the like, instead of rivets, I think they use vintage coins. So every one is different in that sense. They use unique coins on every pair of jeans. And then additionally, I forget what it is. They liken every pair of jeans to almost like your soul, like you have the good side and the bad side. And it's, hold on, I think it has the details on this thing. Yeah, they said that the rivets on the jeans and the drawstrings of the loungewear have tiny reminders that the laundry room believes life should be balanced with classic etiquette and rebellion. The right, the side your angel sits, reads, "Keep me clean." And then the left, the side your devil sits, reads, "Let's get dirty." So it's pretty cute, right? And it says something to the effect of, "We love you, keep dreaming always and happily forever, the laundry room." It's such a cute little message. I'll probably pop a picture of this at the end so you can read all of it yourself, but it's a cool story. I like the piece, and oh, yes, I see it on here. So on the loungewear, it's not the rivets, it's the pieces on the drawstring here. Again, on the right it says "Keep me clean," and on the left it says "Let's get dirty." That's pretty cute. So anyway, that brings us to the end. If you like this, or if you liked any of my other videos, I would suggest that you subscribe. I am trying to reach 200 subscribers. And I am so close. Once I reach 200 subscribers, I am sending one of you a free Aveda prize pack. So go ahead, share with your friends. If you haven't already, you subscribe. If you've already subscribed, hit that reminder bell button. That way you get all of my new videos right on time, hot from the press. Don't want you to miss out on a second of all this goodness, all this good shopping stuff. So anyway, with that being said, that brings me to the end. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being so loyal. Share with your friends, leave a comment, hit that like button if you haven't already. Looking forward to seeing you again. I have more Black Friday shopping to share with you, so tune in on Wednesday for more information. Bye guys.